Hey everyone, in today's video, we're going to talk about the symptoms of a bad crankshaft position sensor. Now, what exactly is a crankshaft position sensor? Well, it's a small but mighty component of your engine. Its job is to monitor the position and rotational speed of the crankshaft, and it's absolutely vital to your engine's operation. By providing key timing information to the engine control module, or ECM, it signals when it's time to fire the spark plugs and inject fuel. In essence, it's the conductor of your car's internal combustion orchestra. But what happens when this sensor goes awry? The effects can be quite drastic, disrupting the harmony of your engine's functionality and leading to a range of performance issues. This little sensor plays a big role in your engine's operation, and its failure can cause some serious performance issues. So what causes a crankshaft position sensor to go bad? Well, there's a multitude of reasons that can contribute to the sensor's failure. One of the most common causes is the excessive buildup of heat in the engine. This intense heat can melt the plastic covering of the sensor, leading to its damage. Another major cause is circuitry problems. The crankshaft sensor relies on a consistent flow of voltage to function optimally. However, faulty voltage can disrupt this flow, causing the sensor to malfunction. This could be as a result of a dying battery or a faulty alternator. Similarly, loose, worn out, or damaged wiring can also lead to crankshaft sensor problems. If the wires connecting the sensor to the engine control module are damaged, it can disrupt the signals sent to and from the sensor, causing it to have issues. Faulty voltage or loose, worn out, or damaged wiring can disrupt the signals sent to and from the crankshaft sensor, causing it to have issues. Problems with a crankshaft sensor can manifest in different ways. Let's delve into the most common symptoms that might indicate a failing sensor. Firstly, you might encounter difficulty starting your vehicle. If the sensor is malfunctioning and unable to accurately relay the crankshaft's position, the engine may crank but not fire, or fire intermittently when you're trying to start. Secondly, stalling can be a common symptom. A faulty crankshaft sensor may allow the engine to start, but then cause it to stall out shortly after. This happens because the engine control module, or ECM, lacks the proper timing information to keep the engine running smoothly. Thirdly, be on the lookout for misfires. Inaccurate signals from the sensor can result in random misfires and an obvious loss of power as cylinders fail to fire properly. A rough idle is another telltale sign. With a malfunctioning crankshaft sensor, your engine may run rough or bounce up and down in RPM while idling. Additionally, a faulty crank sensor often triggers the check engine light. Diagnostic trouble codes like P0335, P0340, or P1361 may pop up on your dashboard. Never ignore these warning lights. Reduced power is another symptom to watch out for. Sluggish acceleration and a lack of normal engine power can be the result of bad timing signals from a failing sensor. Lastly, a bad sensor can lead to poor fuel economy. Incorrect spark timing from a bad sensor can lead to incomplete combustion and wasted fuel, hurting your gas mileage. The expense of substituting a crankshaft position sensor varies, with some models costing just a handful of dollars, while the majority fall within the price range of $40 to $150 for the component. Ignoring the symptoms of a failing sensor can lead to bigger, more expensive problems down the road. So keep an eye out for signs of trouble and act promptly. So stay tuned to the Honest Mechanic channel for more helpful tips like this. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video with others who might find it helpful. Stay safe on the road.